That's Robert.
That's Julie. I'm not feeling real well.
Yeah, he's had the flu.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's been a booger.
But we're having to do a haul.
Show keeps on going.
Well, I'm fixing to have surgery in, what, a week?
Yeah, about a week today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so we're going to go ahead and get a couple of videos going. We're doing a haul right now, and then we've got a couple of Mother's Days that will be done periodically. And so what we're going to do is we're going to do our first haul, and then we're going to air this one, and then we'll do the other ones as we go. So anyway, what we got today was
stuff.
Our roommate got some palm olive. And it's okay to wash your hands with, but to do dishes, no. And so I bought some Dawn Platinum. Well, I saw this, and it's called Oxidol Ultra Dishwashing Liquid. And it's about the same consistency as the Dawn. So I'm going to try this and see how this works. Because it says advanced grease cutting formula, so we're going to see how it goes.
See how it works.
Yeah.
Give it a shot.
Yeah, for $1.25, shoot. And these were $1.25?
Yep. You can't beat that.
And you get more for the money on that. So, everybody knows we have babies. Well, they're fixing to turn a year old.
The little monsters.
Yeah, they're sweet.
Mm-hmm. If you haven't seen Hoss and Pig and Nibby and Percy and Molly run around in our videos, well, you missed out. Check our videos. There's a good one called She's Got Balls that's got Molly and, is it Molly or Percy?
Percy. It's
got
Ray.
Percy Ray
Percy
in
Ray.
it, and it shows them when they're real little tiny. So it's really pretty good.
Okay, and so anyway, their birthday's coming up, and they like. I bought these little fingers with the little things on it.
A little streamer kind of fabric streamers.
Yeah, for Halloween, because they're Halloween fingers. Well, they bat those around and play with them all the time.
Everywhere.
I mean, sometimes we don't see them for days, and then the next time it'll turn up in the water bowl. Because Pig found it and didn't want, or somebody found it and Pig took it away from him and threw it in the water bowl because he didn't want them playing with it. And so in the washer it goes. So anyway, we found these little fuzzy balls. And I guess this one is...
They kind of look like Minecraft things.
Yeah, that's what they look like, isn't it?
Yeah, and this is kind of like the Incredible Hulk.
They're Marvel.
Yeah, Marvel stuff. And this is like Tigger. So it's kind of different. There's a whole bunch of different characters, and they won't know the characters, but
no,
they'll enjoy playing with them.
We got these because they enjoy the fingers, and maybe they'll like these. And Percy has a white ball. She still plays with the white ball that's in her, that's in the video.
Yep.
That says Percy's got balls.
She's got balls. Yep.
Yeah. She still plays with that white ball and still hides it.
Yep.
So anyway.
What's next?
We've been using, oh, you want to do that next?
No, I'm just looking to see what we got here. I don't care.
We used to use Bath & Body Works. He still does, but I used to, and I itched. I can't figure out why. Well, I thought, you know what, I'm going to try Dial bar soap. And so, I got some Dial, and I haven't itched with it.
And didn't that used to come in an orange-yellow kind of wrapper?
Yeah, it stunk.
Oh, okay. I was wondering, what's the difference with these?
This smells good.
Yeah, it's not bad.
It's called
it smells like
spring water.
It smells like dryer sheets. Yeah.
Okay. So, concert season is upon us, and...
We've been busy. That's how I got the flu.
Yep.
We did an outdoor festival last weekend and photographed, what, five artists? Mm-hmm. So we've been busy. We got a little bit of film from that, too. But when you get out there in the outdoor in Texas Spring, there's a lot of pollen. I got a sunburn.
Yeah.
And there's these...
I did, too.
There's these great big monsters that fly around in Texas called mosquitoes.
Yeah, and so instead of getting bit I get these Centronella wristbands, and I put one on my ankle.
I ain't doing that.
And I have a chair that I sit in because I have to watch the camera gear. And I tie these to my chair. And I don't get bit. And these last for a while. Okay, so we have a birthday coming up. Or no, 2 birthdays coming up. Nephew's birthday. And
he's 30. How do you like that? He's
RC
is 30.
Yeah. And so I got 2 cards. And then I needed bags for him. But, you know, you can't put a guy's gift in a frilly bag. They come 2 for $1.25. You can't put guys' stuff. I guess you could, couldn't you?
Real guys can do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
And then, so I got him a bag, a 2. So that's that.
Okay.
So I got cake mix, or no, this is a brownie mix. Then I got
brownie.
2 cake mixes, because I got a strawberry and chocolate.
Oh, good. Okay. That's fine.
But these are chocolate fudge.
Oh, no. They're brownies.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like brownies.
Yeah. Then I'm going to make his peanut butter and dark chocolate chip cookies. I got some more peanut butter crackers.
We both have low blood sugar. And what happens is when we get a little spell of low blood sugar, we'll eat one of these things and it'll fix us up pretty good. And this whole box is like $1.25. Yeah, and then what's in it? 4?
No, 6. Or no, 8.
There's 8 in it, and I mean...
Wait, I think there's 8. 6.
There's 6.
6
and
4
I
packs.
keep 1 or 2 in my desk, and she keeps them around the house. Just for when you get a headache or something like that, and your blood sugar's acting a little weird, they're wonderful.
I should have taken them with me today. And then, okay, I don't have my hat with me. It's back in the bedroom. Anyway, I'm making gem hats. Bling hats.
Bling bling.
And I needed something to put my
Or bling in.
my jewels in. I need to separate them. I had a container that had them in there, but we had a granddaughter. You hear that? Had
a granddaughter. We traded her in on a new Ford.
Yeah.
Yeah. Worked out really good.
But she took them out and got rid of my tackle box that I had them in. So I had to go buy some new, and hopefully this is all that I need. Then I forgot, I did get it.
While she's doing that, we found these 2 things, which are like scooping cups. If you have a lot of cats and you scoop a lot of cat litter, this looks like it's going to be the thing. So you can scoop it, put it in the cat box, turn it over, and place it where you want. And it looks like it holds, what? I don't know, it holds quite a bit. The same thing with cat food. You can scoop the cat food out of the big container, put it over the bowl, dump it in, you're good.
Is it got a measure on it?
Huh? Have what?
Does it have a measure on it? How many ounces is it?
It says it's a paint trim cup, so...
How many ounces?
It didn't say. But, we're going to make this paint trim cup into a cat food cup real quick. And we got one for cat food, we got one for cat litter, and we're going to mark them so that we don't get them confused. And, yeah, that'd be bad.
Maybe in here.
So, it'll be good, and they'll like those, because this gives them a set amount of food.
Okay, so when I do my gems and my hats and stuff, I'm going to be left-handed. And I'm going to be sitting in my chair, so I'm going to need something to put in my lap to where I could put my gems in my hat and do my glue to it. And so I got me a square tray.
It's going to be interesting, because she's very right-handed.
Very. Everything is right-handed. But I've been trying to take a shower with my left hand. That's funny. Anyway, that's the haul that we're going to do right now.
No, we got a little more stuff.
Oh, yeah. I forgot. Hydrogen peroxide.
Hydrogen peroxide, the miracle cure. If you're going to brush your teeth, have any scrapes or wounds or anything like that, it's great. And
brush your teeth.
What you do with it. I have been waiting for 6 months for Dollar Tree to have these. These are LR44 batteries, and we use them in cameras. And these batteries, a set of 4, normally at like Walmart, will cost $8, $8.50, something like that.
Sometimes more than that.
Sometimes more than that. There's silver oxide inside, or mercury cells, and they last a long, long time as long as there's not a drain on them. There's 4 of them. They cost $1.25, and so we got 2 of them. So I've been waiting for a long time, and they carry them. It's just the problem with Dollar Tree is you never know what they're going to carry and when they're going to carry. And then the other thing we got from them, we got these document or certificate 8.5 by 11 picture frames. Well, I buy picture frames from them. I order them online, and I'll buy them by the case. So you'll get a dozen in a case or whatever, 24 in a case. And all right, they're cheap. They're not well built, whatever. But the deal is, when you hang them on the wall and you don't touch them for 10 years, who the heck cares? So I mean, they look nice when they're hanging on the wall. And you can order them online and have
you can paint these also.
Yeah, and you can have them delivered right to your Dollar Tree, and just show up and give them your name. They'll ask you for your driver's license sometimes, and just tell them. Eventually they'll know you and just say, "Hey, I need 24 of these frames." They make them in all different shapes, sizes, and colors, and they do that with any of their frames. So we just use these because they're plain and they're simple.
Mm-hmm.
What else we got? You're infatuated with that. You think Percy's going to like that?
I think so. You know which one I think she'll play with the most?
Huh. That one?
This one or this one?
No, okay.
One of the two.
How many did you get?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because I got maybe 1.
Oh, you didn't get, well, there's 5, so you didn't get one for Doof?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Doof and Henry do not play with them.
Okay, well, we
You know
only
what
have,
they do? Look.
Huh.
They look. And these are for the baby's birthdays.
Well, we only have 5 babies. So you got 6, just in case there's an extra, huh? Okay. All right.
Oh, you know, just in case Stubby.
Yeah, we got a cat out front who's got little short legs and
And a little short tail.
little
He's
short
so
tail.
cute. We named him Stubby.
And the problem with Stubby is
Is stubborn.
he's stubborn, and he kind of wants to come in, and he thinks about it, and then he hisses and walks away and won't have anything to do with us. But one of these days we'll snatch him up and we'll get him. It's just a matter of
bring him in.
time. So is that all we got?
That's what we got. Oh, your pots. You gotta take.
Oh.
You gotta take one of them out. Not that one.
Okay.
Just lift it up. The other one. Okay, yeah.
We got, one of the things they've got cheap pots. So if you have,
And they're nice.
and they're pretty nice. They're blown plastic. And if you need to, you can drill a hole in the bottom of them, put them on a plate so the water drains out of
Or
them.
put rocks in the bottom of
Or
it.
put rocks in the bottom. And we have 2 gigantic aloe vera plants. They're huge cactus, and when they're healthy and everything, they stand probably 4.5 foot tall, I would guess. And they have babies, and what happens is we have to take them out, and then we give them to our neighbors and friends and stuff like that. But we are constantly repotting and doing stuff with those things. And so Dollar Tree has these things. I think we paid, what, $5 a piece for these? Okay, and they've got them in all kinds of sizes, from little bitty to great big. Some of them for $1.25, and it just pardon me. It just depends on what size you need, and they've got them in all different colors and shapes and sizes. So that's one more thing we get at Dollar Tree too.
Yep. Okay.
What else we got?
That's it.
So we're done.
Well, for right now. We got still a couple more things to do, but that's for Mother's Day, and we're going to go.
Oh, boy.
Anyway, that's Robert.
That's Julie.
We'll see you later.
It's our thing.
We don't care, but really we do.
No, we don't care. Anyway,
But really we do.
we'll see you when we see you.
Bye.
Bye.